So, andito tayo sa Amalfi at the Island Park in Dasmariñas City, Cavite. Meron tayong bagong property na for sale and for bidding siya. House and lot, 125 square meters ang lot area niya. Tara, check natin. Ito siya. So, this is the property. So, bago natin siya pasukin, please subscribe to our YouTube channel at For Close Hub. Meron tayong assigned caretaker dito. Mukhang maayos pa siya. And yung kalsada natin is maluwag. Ayan. Malapad. Check ko lang muna yung paligid ha. Car garage niya. Ayan. Ang lot area natin is 125 square meters. Floor area is 104. And then 4 bedrooms po to and 3 bathrooms. Ayan. So ayan ang likod niya. Maayos pa siya ha. Ayun, tignan natin yung loob. Okay. Again, this is for bidding. Ang deadline natin is Monday na. Okay, this coming Monday, October 13. This is around 3.8 million. And available in cash or at least 10 to 20% down payment and then 80 to 90% balance bank financing and in-house, exclusive of taxes and fees. As is where is po tayo dito. Upon turnover, so check natin yung loob. So ito yung loob niya. Open layout. Marami nang tumingin natin. Dami na. Mga lagpas 10 na. May isang CR dito. And then, parang maliit na kwarto or storage. Ayos pa siya ha. Kitchen niya. May tulo ang taas ate? Wala. Walang tulo. Okay lang umakyat? Sige po. Pata sa taas. Ayan. So, 3 kwarto dito sa taas. Ito yung common bathroom niya. And then bedroom 1. Then bedroom 2. And then this is the masters or the primary. Yan. Meron siyang sariling bathroom. And then meron din siyang access to maliit na balkonahe. 'Di ba? Pwede ka magkape-kape dito sa umaga while enjoying the sun and the view. Okay. So again, this is below market value at around 3.8 million. Still sale na po yan. Ang presyo po nito sa developer nasa 7 million and up na po. So if you are interested to make an offer or bid, please message us directly. Amenities niya dito sa Amalfi. Ang clubhouse, basketball court, parks and playground. Natin ko sa inyong amenity, yung swimming pool nila. And magkano yung monthly dues dito. Check natin. So baga ito lang pinaka-amenities niya. Clubhouse lang. Ayan. Tsaka parks and playground. And then basketball court. Yung swimming pool nila is under maintenance. Magkano monthly dues dito?
1,000 po.
Per house na yon or
Per house po.
hindi na siya per square meter? May swimming pool ba dito?